For electric mode, if you are plugged into shore power, turn this knob to the plug. Then turn to coldest, medium, or low. A green light will come on here to signify that the fridge is running. Step 1, make sure gas is secure and turn it on. Step 2, create a gas flow by lighting the stove. Let run 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back off. To run the refrigerator with gas, turn it to the gas symbol, turn this switch to high, press in and hold, give it a good 5 or 10 seconds, and then I'm going to push this spark. This will light the pilot. Three or 4 times usually will work. Sometimes you have to do it a few times. And you can watch this needle. This is important as it goes up into the green. I'm still holding in this switch until I see this where I want it, which is right about there. Then I release the switch and she's on gas mode. We like to keep it on medium usually, and it doesn't use a lot of gas and it should be just fine.